everyone, my name is Denise Poole with Jetset Times, and I am here in Anaheim, California at Expo West, and it is one of the largest natural food and product expos in the world. So today I'm going to be discovering new brands, new healthy, vegan, vegetarian product alternatives to keep up with my healthy lifestyle, because as you guys know, as fellow jet setters, that when we travel, we have to look good. I'm going to discover some new things. There's going to be a ton of sampling. I'm going to go home with bags of stuff, and I'm going to try everything and help you also discover some great new brands. So let's go. So I found Smarty Pits, natural deodorant, which I think is amazing, and I'm trying to decide on a scent because they're all really good. I personally have been looking for more ways to go vegan, and here at Expo West, it has been amazing to discover so many new brands that make this choice easy. I've already found some cookies that I love. Fakeology, delicious.
Share Bar, it's a protein bar. When you buy a Share Bar, we share one with a kid in need, served by Sleep Club National Program.
Found a new protein ball. It's vegan. It's by Health Lab. Salted caramel. Come on. Unicorn sorbet. I mean, oh my god. It's called sorbet. Peanut butter leva. I highly recommend. It's delicious. It's vegan. Wow. Better than ice cream. All you coffee and latte lovers, this is macadamia nut. It's called Milkadamia. They're so clever. No more dairy. This lip balm is natural with beeswax called Bee Bella.
And we donate a portion of our proceeds to honeybee research.
It is crazy in there. I had to take a little break. I think I may have found some new dishwashing detergents. I found this tea. It's called Purpose. Purple is the new green. Foods Alive, new salad dressing. It's made of hemp oil. It has aminos. This is what I'm going to use from now on for my salad. I found a plant-based cheese. It's called the Honest Stand. This is a spicy nacho dip. So Cocomel, it is a vegan caramel. It's coconut caramel, and I tasted it, and it actually tastes just like real caramel. I found Banana Joe. They are banana chips, and it tastes just like potato chips. So I found a brand called Mineral Fusion. It's mineral makeup. They have powders, nail polishes. This is a self-tanner. I'm super stoked. I'm going to try this stuff. I love it. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. I discovered a lot of new products and maybe some that you will use as well. My name is Denise Poole from Jetset Times. I'll see you next time.